Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking a few prerequisites. Your Google Home must be powered and on the same Wi-Fi network, and your phone needs Bluetooth enabled. Once the Google Home app is open, tap the device card for the speaker you want to use. Make sure you're within about 10 meters for reliable pairing. Now, go to the device settings and select paired Bluetooth devices to start scanning. This immediate step sets up the channel that your audio will flow through, so don't skip it. Next, pair your phone with Google Home. Tap Pair Bluetooth Device in the device settings. Your home will start advertising itself. On your phone, pick the Google Home name from the Bluetooth list and accept the pairing prompt. Once paired, open your music app and select Google Home as the audio output. If your app uses system output, change it in the quick settings. These steps tie the audio stream to the speaker. Once done, playback should route immediately and stay connected until you disconnect. To finish, control playback from your phone or use voice to stop. When you're done, disconnect from Bluetooth in your phone or unlink the device in the Google Home app. If audio stutters, reboot both the speaker and your phone. This clears transient Bluetooth issues. Make sure no other previously paired device is automatically reconnecting, because that often causes conflicts. If pairing repeatedly fails, remove the device from Bluetooth settings on both ends and pair again. This reset resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.